Making money is the root of all evil. No. Money itself is the root of all evil. Have you ever been told that, heard that, or thought that? Everything you've been told about manifesting money is a lie. This is video part number 2, and when you hear this, and when you learn the biggest lies that our entire culture was told about money and that you were sold about money, your whole life's gonna change because you're gonna be able to earn a living, a good living off of your talents, your passions, your interests, and your dreams. Money will come to you more easily. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and everything you were told about money is a lie. Part number 2, let's do it. Alright, so have you ever clipped your fingernails before, but you clipped your nails too short and then it hurt really bad and you were like, damn it, this hurts. And it hurts for a while and maybe it you get a little blood for like 3-4 days and it's like, it's way too short. It's like, you're really upset that you did it. Does that make nail clippers evil? No. Nail clippers are a tool or an instrument to get a desired result. They're a tool or an instrument to get a desired result. If you crash your car, are cars evil? No, they're a tool or an instrument for a desired outcome or result. That's all they are. Can you imagine if you and I were hanging out, if we went outside today, and when we got outside, I was like, oh, the blue sky is the root of all evil. I mean, look at it, it's up there every single day. I mean, it's evil. It makes me so upset every time I look at it. It makes life so much difficult. It'd be so much easier if the sky wasn't blue. I mean, first of all, it's really bright. Second, I mean, are you with me? You think I was crazy. The sky just is. That's all it is. It just is. And that's what money is. We're told money is evil. And guess where we were told that? Through institutions. Generally, throughout human history, many institutions and religions have used that belief system in order to control people. That's how society was controlled in the very olden days. People thought it was evil, and then all the people running society are like, yeah, I'll take your money, I'll take your money, I'll take your money. Hey, by the way, money's evil, guys. Money's evil. No, money's not evil. Money is a piece of paper. Money is a symbol. Money is a tool or an instrument that we can use as an exchange between our own desired results. And if you think anything other than that, it's because you've been sold a lie that's been imprinted into your subconscious mind. You will never hear somebody with money say that money is evil. Why? Because they don't have that belief system. It's not the way they see reality. Therefore, money comes to them because they see reality in a way that it has a positive and abundant, a healthy relationship with money. Therefore, they have it in their life. And so if you think that, download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. When I started learning these lies about money, I started brainwashing and hypnotizing myself to look at money as a renewable resource that was a reward when I'd give my talents with love and I'd help and improve people's lives, and they found something that I had to offer valuable, and money would flow to both of us and through both of us and circulate in an abundant world. And guess what? My income took off, my business took off, my message took off. This channel reaches a couple million people a month now because of that. And download it down below, jakeshypnosis.com down below. Download that and recognize that any other idea is a lie that we've been told. Is a lie that money is evil. Money is simply a piece of paper. In fact, money is amazing. Because imagine if we didn't have money and instead we just bartered. And you wanted new Nike shoes and you went into the mall and you wanted new Nike shoes. But the cash register, the cashier behind, didn't like money. They didn't like the paper. But their highest value in life was cows. That was like their main value in life when they left work, was cows. They just loved cows. They loved being around them. They loved everything that had to do with cows. They had a farm. And so you wanted new Nike shoes. And so you brought them to the front, but the person selling the shoes didn't like paper. They like cows. So they wanted you to give them a cow, an equal value of cow, in exchange for the shoe. The shoe is one form of value and the cow is another form of value. They're subjective values based off of people's interests in life. And you wouldn't be able to have a commercial transaction, most likely, because you probably don't want to go get a cow. And you don't find it value enough to have cows to exchange for shoes. So insert money. Everybody has their own values and interests that they want to do with their life. Money is a convenient medium of exchange where we can translate our values into money and then exchange that for services that then we can exchange money for our own value. So if somebody loves cars, they can use money as a medium to get cars. And the cool thing is, money comes to you when you provide value to the world. So you provide value, you get money, and then you can exchange the paper for something you value more, whether it's cars, or you really love houses, or you really love travel, or you really love your nonprofit. So you find ways to provide value to the world, to people, to the marketplace. You take your money and then you insert it, and you and your church go out and you feed the homeless, and you help the world in a way. That's what you like to do with your money. That's what you like to do with your time. So you use money as a medium to exchange for the things that you want. That's all money is. Money is simply that. Now, greed might be a problem, but what is greed really? It's fear. It's fear. And so the problem is our mindsets about life, not money. People believe that there aren't enough resources, or that like if other people are more powerful sometimes or somehow they're going to have less in life, so they try to control other people or rip other people off, or they believe there's not enough in the world, so they move from the creative plane to the competitive plane. There's no need for competition. Eric Thomas says that amateurs compete, pros create. So the question is really, what do you want to create? Don't even focus on money. Focus on creating the value that you want to create. Whether it's that you love real estate and you want to sell real estate, or you want to buy big, beautiful apartment buildings or office buildings and then provide a value to people where they rent the space off of you, or you want to design new shoes or new sports clothes, whatever it is. You get to do what you like to do, or what you want to trade your time for. And then you turn around and you can either get money for that or sell that thing to get money for it. And then the other people are happy because they got a value that they wanted and they exchange money for it. It doesn't matter what it is. There's a commercial market for everything. What does commercial even mean? It just means that two people are in a fair exchange for things. It's a commercial exchange. It's just a fair exchange. And money makes it a lot easier. I mean, if we had to carry cows like they did in the olden days, when that used to be, you know, like a valuable form of currency or wealth, or coins. I mean, imagine if everything was just gold still. There'd be robberies all the time. Like, there'd be so much more of that going on if we were still trading gold coins. And so that's all it is. Make up your mind that, if anything, money is really friendly. It's really an amazing invention. It makes our world easier, our world go round better. It allows you to go drive wherever you need to drive easily. You don't have to lug around gold coins or cows or whatever, other mediums of exchange in order to get your gas. You just put some paper in it, or swipe your little plastic thing, and at the speed of light, boom, it all works. Dude, it's easy, it's awesome. Make up your mind that money is easy to come by. Download my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com. Every time you hear somebody say money is evil, every time you see money is evil, or hear somebody say that, or a voice in your head says it, say, no, that's not part of my belief system. I've decided that money isn't evil, that actually money is extremely useful. It's an instrument and tool that is valuable in the arena of which it's used. Now, money isn't everything in the entire world. No, It's a small aspect of life. There are a lot of aspects of life. There's health, there's love, there's so many aspects of life. There's free time, there's vacations. There's so many things that might be valuable. There's spiritual fulfillment, all of these things. But money is one arena of life that's very important and valuable. Make up your mind that that's good and that you're going to provide value and service to the world, and you're going to receive money graciously in exchange for that. jakeshypnosis.com, that's my free success hypnosis that will retrain your mind to get in your belief system that money is easy, it's abundant, you give your talents with love, you help people, you improve people's lives more so than you ever have before, and you're wonderfully blessed financially. jakeshypnosis.com. And then hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification right over there, because that's what notifies you for new videos. Hashtag down below, money is good. Money is good. And somebody might be listening and say, wow, that is so hard for me to wrap my head around because my whole life I was told it wasn't good. Try it. See what resistance comes up your paradigm. It's a habitual way you see the world, a paradigm. See if your paradigm is shaped where money is good. And if you have resistance to that thought, it just simply means that your paradigm isn't in alignment with the circulation and flow of money. No problem. Start by changing it now. Money is good. Download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. Hit the subscribe button, bell notification, hashtag money is good down below. Like this video, share this with somebody you think will be valuable with it. Watch this again, take notes on this, see what comes up within you, because that's your paradigm and you can change it at any second. Money is not evil. Money is a reward for service rendered. Provide more valuable service to the world and live the life you truly want to live.